It's alive. It's not happy, but it's alive. What's up, everybody? We're out here today doing a little quick troubleshooting on Grandpa's 95 S10. Main goal is just get it to fire up on its own and get it up on the trailer. That way I don't have to muscle it up there. So I'm gonna throw this battery in real quick and then we're gonna give it a shot. It's been sitting for a hot minute, so I doubt it's gonna fire up, but we need to figure out whether the fuel pump went bad or if the injectors are all gummed up or what the case may be. So we're gonna do what we can. All right, gotta give it the old shake. So it doesn't sound like the fuel pump is turning on when you turn the key on. So I'm gonna check some fuses and see if we find anything. Well, that means that the fuse is good and it's getting power to the relay. We can check and see if the relay is getting power here real quick. Alright, that is power into the relay going to the fuel pump. That is the signal coming in from the vehicle. As soon as we turn the key on, we get 11.9, which means that it should be powering the pump. I've got the gas tank out already. I tested the voltage at the connectors with the key on and the key off. At the key off, I have 0 voltage on any of the prongs. Key on, I have a 5 volt reference and I have like an 8.3, which should be enough to turn that pump, but it does smell like turpentine, so we're gonna go ahead and swap it out. So let's see if this works. Alright, so I got the new pump installed, put the new strainer in, dumped out the old fuel into another jug, put 3 gallons of clean premium in. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the new assembly back in. Well, pump's in the tank, tank's been installed in the truck, everything's been hooked up, so now let's fire it up and see if it actually kicks over. Here's hoping. It's alive. It's not happy, but it's alive. Well, there she is. She started off back there and drove all the way up here under her own power. So yeah, that was a 2-day fuel pump change. Glad that's what it is. It definitely needs a tune-up now, but at least it's up and running. Make it easier to get it up to the property. And yeah, that'll be it for today. So thanks again for coming along and hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.